Hello everyone, it's Terry. Today I have a very exciting announcement. I'm going to do a new event. It's a sushi open day. I'm going to be here, Unit 3, Mirabel Street, M3, 1PJ, and just make you some sushi. The date is on Sunday, the 24th of July. Start from 12 o'clock, noon, runs all the way to 8 o'clock. Or until we sell out. Or you might just come here and talk to me if there's no food. It's going to be very casual. The idea is that you have seen me making sushi. I hope you've got the opportunity to try making sushi. Now you can taste some sushi. And come in, everyone will get served the same thing, and you pay what you want or nothing. It's just purely up to you. And the event will be live streamed on my channel. So during the live stream, you're more than welcome to ask me any questions, and if I manage to learn multitasking, I might answer. There will be a link down below, and just register your interest, because that way I know how much I should prepare. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all of your support. Looking forward to meeting you all then. See you later.